A cat and a mouse. There is a cat. The cat is brown and white. The cat lives in a cozy house with its owner. The cat likes to sleep in the sun. There is a mouse. The mouse is small and gray. The mouse lives in the same house as the cat. The mouse likes to eat cheese. The cat sees the mouse. The cat wants to catch the mouse. The mouse is afraid of the cat. The cat chases the mouse. The mouse runs away from the cat. The mouse hides behind a chair. The cat looks for the mouse. The mouse stays quiet. The cat can't find the mouse. The mouse comes out from behind the chair. The mouse goes to its hole. The mouse is safe. The cat gives up. The cat goes back to sleep. The mouse eats cheese. The mouse is happy. The cat and the mouse live in the same house, but they are different. The cat wants to catch the mouse, but the mouse is too quick. One day, the cat is outside in the garden. The mouse comes out of its hole and starts to play with a piece of string. The cat sees the mouse and starts to approach it slowly. The mouse notices the cat and quickly runs back to its hole. The cat sits down near the hole and waits for the mouse to come out again. The mouse waits inside the hole, feeling scared. Suddenly, the cat hears a rustling noise in the bushes. The cat gets up to investigate the noise, forgetting about the mouse. The mouse sees that the cat is distracted and comes out of its hole to grab a piece of cheese. The mouse runs back to its hole and starts to nibble on the cheese. The cat comes back from the bushes and sees the mouse eating cheese. The cat tries to catch the mouse, but the mouse is too quick and runs back into its hole. The cat realizes that it will never be able to catch the mouse and decides to give up. From that day on, the cat and the mouse live in peace and harmony, each going about their own business without bothering the other.